This is the LTE Lighting Even floodlight. It has 16 colors, 4 modes, and it's dimmable. And it even has a remote control. The remote control works best within 5 meters, which is a little more than 16 feet, to no more than 8 meters, which is about 26 feet. You can install it on the ground or on the wall or vertical surface. And see, it's got a bracket in the back so that it can stand or be attached. And it's waterproof. It can be used indoors or outdoors. And I'm going to try it both indoors and outdoors. This makes your living space more festive and appealing. I think it's particularly great in the outdoors for parties, barbecues, get-togethers, or just to create a special mood. I mentioned it's waterproof. The floodlight can be left outdoors in all weather conditions. And here's the box that it came in. So let's take a look at the remote control. And then the W is for just white light. There are 4 lighting modes: flash, strobe, fade, and smooth. And just combinations or different shades of colors between the red, blue, and green to make 16 colors. So let's try this out. We're going to try it indoors and outdoors. So look at some of these amazing colors. Flash mode. And strobe. Okay, this is fade. Okay, and this is smooth. Smooth transition between colors. Okay, I'm outside. I have the light set up to try out. This makes your outdoor space so much more festive and appealing. Of course, in the outdoors, this can be used as a landscape light to highlight a particular area of your lawn or garden. It can be used to highlight a sign, just dozens of uses. It can also function as a security light. A steady red. And this is white. Green. Blue. So this is a fun product. Thanks for watching.